These are some interesting facts about the temperate rainforest by James
and Spencer.
The Hoha Rainforest is the largest temperate rainforest in the world.
There are many animals in the temperate rainforest, but some are wolves, bears, bald eagles, and fuzzy banana slugs.
The Hoha Rainforest is super wet. It gets up to 100 inches or 254 centimeters of rain each year.
Some unique creatures like North American flying squirrels and Australian wallabies.
The climate is cool, moist, oceanic climate. That means the rain is not hot or cold.
Drip-tip leaves shed rain with giant trees like Epiphytes airplanes for extra water and nutrients.
It is located on a Olympic Peninsula in the western Washington state.
Ancient plants that predate dinosaurs and large mammals.
This is James
And Spencer.
signing off.